FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. And boy, are you in for a treat. This year's challenge is going to be super duper special. If you want a little bit more and to dig in deeper, I'll put the details down below if you're interested. But if you want the free calendar to join along this challenge and check it off every single day, then be sure to join my newsletter down below so that you can get access to this calendar and join in on this 31-day journey. So the rules of the challenge are simple. We're going to do the 31 steps of the FlyLady baby step, but we're going to do them with a twist. We're going to absolutely leave off weekends so that we may also get to enjoy ourselves and have a tidy home all before the holidays. For baby step 1 of the challenge, we're going to start off with none other than shining our sink. So go on over to your kitchen, remove anything that may be in the sink. If you have a dishwasher, place it there. If you don't have a dishwasher, you can either wash it and put it in the rack, or you can just put it off to the side for now. But I highly recommend just washing them and get them out of the way. Throw on some music. It will be super duper fun and quick. And then shine your sink. You can shine your sink any way that you feel comfortable. I personally like to stick to the natural, so I would either use baking soda or vinegar, but I've actually recently heard it's not good to use them both together. So pick one or the other, or whatever you feel comfortable with, and get to shining that sink. If this is your first time doing it, it may take a little bit long, but do not be discouraged. This is the first step for a reason. Feel free to take an old toothbrush and get in those nooks and crannies. It will be very well worth it. When you're all done with that, be sure to pass a dry rag and you will see just how shiny and beautiful your sink is. If you have a porcelain sink, be mindful of what things you use in it, because I used to have one and it was so delicate, it would scratch off of any little thing. So just be mindful for your specific sink. But again, if you want to go even further into it, it comes with a lot of freebies, goodies. Check it out. It's only $20 a month and it comes with a lot of other stuff. So if you want to go even deeper to the challenge, you feel free to check that out if you're interested. If not, that's okay too. You can just stick along with me here and we're going to get through these 31 baby steps. It's going to be so much fun, and your home will be unrecognizable by the end of it. Not only that, you will solidify some great habits that you can keep for the rest of your life. But let's get on with it, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.